Hello everybody, let's start with the crypto market. So Bitcoin, currently we are in this white channel. So for the moment we are in the middle. We start to form bearish value gaps. So what can happen is that we come back to test the bottom of this channel. We can also go further and retest the low from a few weeks ago. And then we have this weekly fair value gap with some daily fair value gaps below. So this might be a point that we can retest as well. So yeah, for the moment there's not much to talk about. Looking at the anchored VWAPs, so as I did suspect, it's resistance, and now we're coming back from this one. So we can see here, so here's another one, the green one, which can act again as support. So then we have those fair value gaps just below this one, so we can wick and then come up. On the 1 hour chart, there we can see that we flipped bullish a while ago. When was this? On the 23rd. But now a few hours ago, we turned bearish again. So for Ethereum, also here a short started on the 25th. So there we're still in a short position. Then on the daily chart, we had the turtle strategy, which was buying twice. And let's see, we're coming down now. And if I plot the lines, then the L1 exit is at 57,753. So then we would stop out of this one with a loss. When we look at the ATR strategy, this one gave a sell signal yesterday. So unfortunately, before we had a buy signal, of course, on this big green candle when we pumped 6%, but from there we did come all the way down. So that's a loss. Ethereum, we had a sell, currently still in a sell position. Solana, same thing here. We got a sell signal on the 2nd of August and still short here. And then XLM, also same story here. We did go short, unfortunately almost at the bottom, but still in a short. Then let's have a look. XRP, we got 2 buy signals and then we did exit here. So it looks like the first entry was a profitable one and the second one was not. Gala, there we did go long a few days ago on the 24th. Currently still in a long position. And then for Ton, yeah, with the recent news, not so good. So we got the exit signal, luckily on the 15th of August, and since then we did come massively down. Then the traditional markets, Nasdaq, we will get an exit signal today. Unfortunately, we did enter also almost at the top. So also here, the anchored VWAPs. So this one is currently at 18,950. The next one, which acted as support over here, is at 17,964. So we're also going to have to see what's going on there, because we have NVIDIA, which is releasing their numbers after the bell. So yeah, we might get some volatility tomorrow. Euro USD, also very nice here. This VWAP was resistance over here in July of last year. We did come back to retest it and it looks like we are rejecting again. And yeah, so we're still in a long position for this one. Crude oil, we got an exit almost. Oh yeah, okay, this one is not valid because these are fake trades, because the previous one was a profitable one. So the strategy doesn't take a position after a winning trade. Then copper, exit signal way back. And also here you can clearly see how this anchored VWAP is acting as support, and this one dates way back to July 2022. So it looks like currently this anchored VWAP is acting as resistance. Then the stock market, I don't think there's much to say, although a few trades got opened. So Apple, there we are still in a long position from a long time ago. Adobe, here it started buying. Amazon, currently in a loss. Alibaba, yeah, also here, unfortunately, at this top, we got the entry signal, and then the day after, it dropped for the 27%, and we are out. Walt Disney, nothing. Google, some long positions have been opened. MasterCard, this one for the moment is also doing well. So we got 1, 2, 3 entry signals. McDonald's as well, perfectly 2 entry signals at the bottom. Meta also been buying, but I'm a bit afraid tomorrow that things will start to look negative. So we got plenty of buy signals, but yeah, they were all at this top. So I'm a bit worried about this one. Microsoft get exit signal today. Nike also here, still a nice long position, has been buying all the way up. So NVIDIA, let's zoom in on this one. So here we also get the exit signal. So for the moment, almost, yeah, it is already 4% down. So yeah, doesn't look promising for tomorrow. Palantir, exit signal near the top. So that was a perfect trade. Tesla, nothing to do here. And then the S&P 500, this one would have been buying, but those are also fake trades because the previous one was nicely in profit. So, and that's actually a good one because it would have bought on this local top. So what else do we have? Then gold and silver. So gold, we get several buy signals in the past days. So currently, if you trade this Fibonacci compression, so we have this high, low, lower high, higher low, and then we ended up on this 0.236 retracement, or actually expansion, and that's usually take profit 1. So that looks like to be a good one. So for the turtle strategy, we are buying. So we're gonna have to see in the coming days how that will work out. Then silver, same here, buying, and now it looks like we found some resistance over here. So also nicely here how we found support on this VWAP, anchored VWAP. And then in closing, there's one trade that I'm currently looking at, and that's the DAX. So you can see the green ones are the fair value gaps. So those are bullish ones. But look how close we are coming to this all-time high. And it doesn't make sense at all with the American stock market coming down. This one is just running up. And so it's showing a clear divergence. And I think tomorrow in the European trading hours that we will take out this high, and that would be a perfect short. So that's definitely one to watch. And then one last one, that's the fair value gap trading strategy. When we had this nice dump in Bitcoin, then the strategy was 20% up. But yeah, for the moment, it's in a loss. So it started with $1,000 and we are now at 961. So I'm not here to tell all the time the good news, but those strategies, they also have their losing streaks, and currently we have one. But if we get volatility in the coming days, then this will definitely become profitable again. So it did open a lot of trades, some longs, some shorts. In the past days they were all long, but now that we start to turn around, it also opened several short positions. So if we continue to the downside, then I'm sure that all those trades, they will close and we'll go into a short position. All right, that's it for today. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.